Hi everyone, this is Touhid from Touhid YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how I got 100 subscribers. So if you are new to my channel, consider to subscribe, and if you already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. I'll really appreciate that. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notification about my every video. Let's get started. Hey guys, this is Touhid from Touhid YouTube channel, and I want to thank you all to help me crossing 100 subscribers. And I want to thank you to help me to become a big part of this great YouTube community. Well, it was not easy for me to start my YouTube channel and cross 100 subscribers, but because of you I got the inspiration and the power to continue my journey. Before I thought that maybe I need to become an expert to start a YouTube channel, but I was wrong, because I saw so many videos and blog posts that I don't need to become an expert to start a YouTube channel, because I already studied so many things about computer and computer science, and I have about more than 6 years of experience. So I can share so many things with you guys. Maybe you just started recently, or maybe you just started to learn the computer science or programming or Python, this kind of stuff. So I can help you to learn Python and become an expert in Python programming language. Not only Python, I will help you to understand many things about the computer and the technology. And also I can share many things that you need to know to become a Python developer, or you need to know to become an expert in programming language. On this channel I make different kind of programming and tech related videos, especially the Python and Python related videos, and other videos that you need to know to become a Python developer. So I want you to subscribe to my channel right now, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get the notification about every single video. And once again, I need your support and your love to grow this channel, and I hope that I can help you with so many things and help you to learn the computer programming. And from now, every week I'm gonna upload 2 or more videos on my channel. So you are most welcome to watch my video on my channel, and let me know in the comment below that what kind of video you need from me and what kind of video you want me to make. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.